Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl Shawnee and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a step-by-step tutorial showing you guys everything I do to bleach knots, as well as giving you some tips and tricks that I learned along the way to kind of help the process be a lot more easier for my beginners out there. So with that being said, let's get right into the video today.
You like it what you see. Everything designer, that's on me. That's why when I walk, looking like you, just trying to fall.
Alright, so to bleach your knots, you're going to need a powder bleach. I like to use a blue product because blue automatically will cancel out any unwanted orange colors. You'll need a mixing bowl, some 30 volume developer, a perm brush or whatever you call it. This tool is optional. A mini whisk. I find this mixes the bleach and the developer together really well. A rat tail comb, a butter knife, some aluminum foil, and of course the wig, the lace, or whatever it is you're bleaching. So I start by spraying Got To Be spray on the front of the lace to pull all the flyaway hairs back so that the bleach won't touch it. I recently dyed this wig jet black, and if you want to see how I did that, I have a video on my channel that you can go check out after this one. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So next, I put 1 even scoop of the bleach powder into the mixing bowl. Then I use the same scooper and pour 1 even scoop of the developer into the mixing bowl. And I'm going to take the little whisk and I'm going to mix it up. This is the perfect consistency. It's nice and thick, almost like an icing, like a buttercream icing consistency. See when I scoop it up with the butter knife, it's not falling off, which means that it's not going to seep through the lace easily and get on the actual hair and turn the hairs blonde. So we're going to pretend we're spreading butter on a piece of toast with the butter knife. You can also use the perm brush for this if you prefer. I like to start along the back of the lace because the back of the lace tends to be a little bit more dense, so you want to let it have a little bit more time to process than the front. When you spread the product, you want to make sure you don't push too hard, but you don't want to be too light-handed either. Make sure you evenly apply the product all over the lace. Next, I'm taking a piece of foil and placing it on top of the lace. You want to let the bleach sit on the lace for 30 minutes. Then I rinse the lace off. I like to let the bleach fall off the lace. I don't really like to take my hands and further rub the bleach in. I just let it fall off with the water. Once I have a majority of that off, the lace, then I go in with a neutralizing shampoo, and this is the one that I always use. I put this directly on the lace and I rub this in like really good to make sure that there's no leftover bleach residue on the lace after I wash it off.
Yeah, we got it going on, got it going on. Don't it feel so good to be us? Hey, yeah, we got it going on, got it going on. We got it going on. Yeah, we got it going on, got it going on. Don't it feel so good to be us? Hey, yeah, we got it going on, got it going on. We out here tripping finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here tripping finesse. You know.
Then I like to take some Shimmer Lights purple shampoo and apply it directly onto the lace. And I just let it sit there for like 25 minutes and then rinse it off. And that is it. This is how I bleach my knots. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Subscribe.